In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quiz on Google Sites. We're going to walk through the steps of creating a quiz on Google Forms and then embedding it onto your Google site. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Forms. It's going to be the platform where we create the backbone of your quiz. So open up your browser and navigate to Google Forms. Once there, you'll see a variety of templates, but for our purposes today, we're going to click on Blank Quiz. This option will provide a clean slate for you to build your quiz from scratch. After opening a blank quiz, the very first thing you should do is click on the title area at the top of the page. You'll see it says Untitled Quiz. You can change this to something that reflects the subject of your quiz. For example, if you're creating a quiz for a math class, you might want to rename it to Math Quiz. This will help keep your quizzes organized, especially if you're planning to create more in the future. Next, let's get into the core of your quiz, the questions. Click on the Untitled Question area to begin typing your first question. Don't forget you can make use of various question types such as multiple choice, short answer, and more depending on how you wish to assess your audience. It's important to clearly state what you're asking so that your quiz takers know exactly what is expected. Now that you have your question, it's time to add some answer options. Since most quizzes rely on multiple choice questions, you'll want to list a few possible answers beneath your question. Feel free to add as many options as necessary by clicking the Add Option button. This is your chance to get creative and think about what will best challenge or engage your quiz takers. Once you've crafted your questions and potential answers, it's always a good idea to preview your work. Click on the preview icon, which looks like an eye, to see what your quiz will look like to others. This step will allow you to see the flow of the quiz and make any necessary adjustments before publishing. If everything looks good, you can go ahead and click on the Publish button. This will save your quiz and make it ready to embed on your Google site. Now let's head over to Google Sites to bring our quiz to the forefront. On your site, go to the Forms section and you'll find the quiz you just created. Select it and then click Insert. Watch as your quiz is seamlessly integrated into your site, ready for visitors to take. And there you have it, you've successfully created and embedded a quiz on your Google site. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.